Hello, I'm Dr. Kate Beaven-Marks, and I am so excited to be presenting at the 2024 NGH Convention and Educational Conference this August. Now, firstly, I'd like to invite you to join me in my seminar, Mastering Hypnosis Demonstrations and Presentations. And this will be on Friday, the 9th of August at 2 o'clock. My seminar is going to give you some awesome tools so that you can create bespoke, highly professional presentations and superb, informative and audience-friendly demonstrations. I also have a one-day post-convention workshop, and it complements my seminar. And this workshop, held on the Monday, will be expert hypnosis presentations and demonstrations. Now, this is where you're going to learn how to create memorable presentations, awesome demonstrations, and really be able to raise your profile and boost your business. On the day, I'm going to take you through the entire process, from thinking about what to present and why, to finding opportunities to reaching audiences, preparing and then delivering with confidence and skill, and even how to optimize that time after you've delivered your amazing presentation. It's going to be a highly practical day and will be supported with a detailed workbook. So, until then, I look forward to meeting you this year at the NGH Convention.